You can be really good at what you do and still not get chosen. Now, that took me a long time to understand. I've been singing professionally for 35 years. And believe me, I've had my share of auditions, callbacks, opportunities, and a lot of rejections. Nung mas bata ako, kapag hindi ako nakukuha, kapag nag-audition ako, automatic ang iniisip ko, hindi ba ako good enough? May mali ba sa boses ko or my voice has nothing really special to offer? Was I just lucky in some of my wins? But eventually, I learned something about this business. Sometimes, it's not about who's better. Sometimes, they're looking for a certain voice, a certain look, a certain personality. Sometimes, magaling ka naman, pero hindi ikaw yung kailangan nila. And that's a huge difference. Because if you treat every rejection as proof that you're not good enough, eventually, you'll start believing it. Of course, be honest with yourself. If you need to improve, improve. Get a mentor. Learn every day. Kung may kailangan matutunan, just learn it. But don't allow one person's no to become your definition of your worth. Because after 35 years, I've learned some of the opportunities that I did not get made space for the ones that eventually changed my life. So kung may rejection kang pinagdadaanan ngayon, maybe the question isn't, what's wrong with me? Maybe it's simply, what's next? Our question of the day: what's one rejection you're now thankful you received? Answer it in the comment section. Thanks.